Welcome back, guys. Welcome to my fifth video about C programming tutorial. It's gonna be a very brief video as I'm gonna tell about backslash characters only. Backslash characters, I told about two backslash characters only, backslash n and backslash t. Now these two backslash characters are used for backslash n is used in the purpose starting a new line, adding a new line, and backslash t is used in order to make a horizontal tab, like this. This is the work of backslash t, just this. Now I'm gonna write a string with backslash characters, but before that I'm gonna write some backslash characters. Backslash a, it will make an audible sound. Backslash a will make an audible sound. Okay, I'm gonna write it. Sound. You buzz the computer once. Backslash b will delete one item from your. It works like Backspace. Yes. In the words, or like in the words, as you use Backspace, it will delete one word, one last digit. It will delete. Now backslash f. It's a typical it has a typical application. It's used for form feeds. That is a typical application, and I'm not going to tell it about that because you won't understand the form. What is form feeds? What's the application of it? Backslash n, it has been told. I suppose it has been told, but those who can't remember, that is backslash n used for new line. Backslash t, horizontal tab. With the backslash t, there's come once more tab, that is vertical tab. There is backslash v, vertical tab. Now backslash r is used for carriage return, and again the carriage return is a difficult topic, so I'm not going to explain. And you are not going to understand it. And now I am writing something that I'm going to explain in this video. Have you ever tried to print a quotation marks string? Just try and you will get the disadvantage. I'm gonna explain it in this video. So I'm just writing it. I'm gonna explain in the next coming few times. Backslash. Now how to print a backslash? You have to give two backslashes. Backslash is 0. Remember, it is 0. It is used as null character. Now I'm gonna print one by one all the backslash a. What I told, it will make a audible sound. Sorry guys, have you heard that? The audible sound. Generally, if we compile it without this, it won't produce a sound. It's not gonna produce. But without this, with this, it's gonna produce this sound. Okay, it was for backslash a. Now backslash n, it will produce a new line. You always want a new line because again I don't want to mess all the things up. So Now to remove a line, we have to at first write something. Okay, now we are gonna give backslash b, backslash b, backslash b, once more backslash b. 4 times I had given the backslash b, and then backslash n, just for to create a new line. Now if I compile this and run this, it became like this. Can you guess why? Can anyone of you guess why? Wait a second, wait a second, guys. I think it didn't work. Why? It removed this part. Basically, it removed this part. Look carefully. You will see that it removed this part. This part it had removed. It had been removed because of backslash b, backslash b, backslash b had removed that part. Now you may get confused, but this is why. I don't know what the mess is happening here, but this why shouldn't be printed. No? This why shouldn't be printed. Okay, let me check it. Let put the backslash b once, and let's see what happens. It's running fine. It's running fine. See it? Once it has been removed. Okay, whatever. Now I'm gonna explain home page. I'm not gonna explain you. Horizontal tab, backslash and printer. Write anything you want. Horizontal tab, horizontal tab. Write anything you want. Now compile it, run it. Here it's there are 2 tabs here. 1, 2. 2 tabs are used here. Those are horizontal tabs. Now I'm now gonna explain this 4. Okay. Now printf in the quote, and I'm writing like Q told me, comma, in quotation marks I'm gonna write I love you. Hey guys, Q is my girlfriend. And so what do you think? It's gonna print it like that, and this hadn't even turned blue. The compiler running is understanding that this is the quotation starting and this is the quotation ending. Now we have to make it understand that it's not the quotation ending, it's just a quotation. So use a backslash here and a backslash here, so it will treat it like a quotation mark and it will print it as it is. Now compile it. At first compile at the general mode. I suppose it's not gonna get compiled even. Yes, it's not gonna get compiled even. It will want a semicolon before it, or comma before it, or bracket before it, whatever. I am now gonna give the right thing and I'm gonna compile it. Compiling it, 0 errors. Now it's gonna run. You told me. Okay, sorry guys, it messed up. It's like this. Oh yeah, Q. What's this? Why her name is Q? Why not P? Many times think. Okay, one problem was solved. and same for the single quotation also is gonna be like that. Now for a comma, now I'm gonna copy it. I'm very lazy guy. Now it's running fine. Why it's running fine? It shouldn't. There should be a backslash. It's basically the same. Sometimes problem may arise. I practically face the problem. Here the problem isn't arising because there is no string after that. If there is string, the problem may arise. I don't know why it is not arising. But there will be little boxes. The question mark will be in a box. So this is used. If the problem arises, use this. If it runs fine, that is fine. Okay guys, I promised you to make a short video, but it became a lengthy one. Hope you enjoyed it. I think I am improving myself, making myself improve. Oh, it was my brother. You can see the eyes. Okay, thank you guys, hope you enjoyed it. Any doubts, you can contact me. Okay, bye, see you in the next video tutorial. Just